I just thought I'd let you know that I'm sending out an invitation for those people who live near my studio in Twinsburg, that I'm going to have an open house on Friday. Now, I'm still open on Friday. I mean, I'm open Monday, Wednesday, Friday from like 10 to about 3 or 4. But I thought I would encourage you to come for an open house so that I would have things set out to explain the classes that I'm offering and just different things. And you can come and see, kind of like the before we start, setting up the parking lot and the gardens in the back, and then some of the new artists. You want to see some of their stuff. So anyway, just inviting you. Friday, 11 to 3 is the open house this Friday. Okay, I hope I get to see you. If not, I'll have another one another time, but just letting you know that I'm open. Okay, thanks. Bye.